Looking for a roof that you can count on for years to come? Denny's Roofing is your go-to for solid, reliable roof replacement in Fox Hill, Longmont, Colorado. With years of experience, we craft secure, great-looking roofs for homes and businesses. Our skilled team makes sure your roof is not just durable, but stylish too. We're all about customizing roofs to fit your style and needs. Count on us for expert advice and top-notch craftsmanship every step of the way. Our rates are competitive, but we never cut corners on quality. You're guaranteed to get the best value for your investment. Thinking about replacing your roof? We take care of everything, from removing the old roof to cleaning up afterward, so you can sit back and relax. Safety is always our top priority. Every project is completed with the highest safety standards in mind. Let us help protect your property with a sturdy, reliable roof. Schedule a consultation today, and let's talk about your roofing needs. Call us at 970-275-4012 for expert roof replacement, or visit dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company for more details. Denny's Roofing, quality you can see, protection you can trust.